So I got an unboxing today. Got a couple things in the mail from IAG. It's the TGV deletes, the big ones. Man, these are freaking light. Holy crap, these are nice. Super light billet, and there's the hardware, all brand new nice hardware. No sticker though. That'd be cool to get an IAG sticker. Super high quality though, man. These are like the best ones you can get. Okay, so it's got that black shield off, and then pull off this foam off the high pressure fuel pump, and then after that I want to take out the EGR pipe out of there, or one side off that's connected to the intake manifold. Take that off. Alright, so I got the driver's side TGV delete in. What I did was this hose to the high pressure fuel pump right here is kind of in the way. So I just took it and pulled it up over here to help get the TGV in. And then make sure you take this hose back off so you can pull up on the manifold so you can get them in. But they fit really well. So I'm gonna work on the other side. I don't know if this is the hard side or the easy side, but I'm gonna get the other side. I think I can get it with the pair and charge pipe still on there, maybe. I'm gonna see if I can get it. I think I can, but you know, I mean, we'll see, huh? Oh, here's the difference. Here's the difference. There's the TGV upper and lower, and then there's the AIG just straight through. Not too bad. This wiring harness is kind of in the way. You got to kind of pull up on it to get down in there. You can barely see the bolt, but it's loose. I've almost got it out, so it's kind of tricky. Okay, I was able to get it with the charge pipe in, the pair and charge pipe, so that's good. The lower TGV, so it's doable. Little wire harness that's kind of in the way right there, but just kind of do what you can get it. So I just kind of, I had to take this piece off right here to get to this. I just kind of moved the foam out of the way with one screwdriver, and then this screwdriver happened to fit, so it's kind of like hand threading it, you know, with the screwdriver, because it fits in there, and I can spin this, and I got them snug. But the torque spec says it in the service manual 19 foot-pounds, but people are saying that it's 15.9. And I'm gonna just go 17. It's in between. I kind of think the service manual is right, but I'm gonna go 17 and not 19 and not 16. So I'm gonna get them torqued down. On these TGV deletes, I highly recommend an inch-pound torque wrench, so you can, I mean, for these ones down, the lower ones for the IAG, You really should use one of these super long Allen ones. It's a 6mm, because the angle is really hard to get to with regular ratchet sets. So make sure you get the long ones.